Om is the sound of Ishvara, the cosmic Lord, the creator, preserver and destroyer of the universe. The 8 attributes of God, love, peace, joy, power, wisdom, calmness, light and sound, emanate from the cosmic vibration of Om. Om is not a word, but God Himself, says Swami Vivekananda. There is tremendous power in chanting the sacred sound of Om mantra. It attunes us to the cosmic energy of the universal soul, whose essence is love itself. Joseph Bharat Cornell poetically puts it, Om is the outpouring of God's love, flowing to you and to all creation. When you commune with Om, you enter into and flow with the stream of God's love.